Hello everyone, welcome all of you. Myself Pranali Ghansham Kaure. I am a student of BSc second year, Department of Chemistry. Today I will be talking about my seminar presentation. The topic of my presentation is asymmetric carbon atoms and another one is asymmetric and chiral molecules. Firstly, asymmetric carbon atoms. An asymmetric carbon atom is attached to four different types of atom or a group of atom. Example, these are example of asymmetric carbon atom. Consider a carbon atom that's bonded to an OH group, a hydrogen group, a fluorine and a bromine. Notice how the carbon is bonded to four different substituents, making it an asymmetric carbon. These are another example of asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric and chiral molecules. The term asymmetric means absence of any symmetry. Chiral. The term chiral is used for those objects which have right-handed and a left-handed form. That is, the molecules has a handedness and the property of handedness is a term as a chirality. An object which is not superimposable upon its mirror image is a chiral. All symmetric molecules are a chiral. Some molecules having simple axis of symmetry and no other element of symmetry are also chiral. But these are not strictly asymmetric. Chiral molecules may not necessarily be asymmetric. Chirality. What is chirality? The objects which are non-superimposable on their mirror image are said to be chiral, and this property is known as chirality. Let's see. This is my hand. If I put the mirror here, the right hand is the mirror image of the left hand. But when I slide my left hand over the right hand, it does not cover each other properly. My hands are a mirror image of each other, but they are not superimposable on any other. These types example are a chiral object. Those objects which are non-superimposable on their mirror image are said to be chiral and the phenomena of chirality. Other is a chiral and the phenomena of chirality. Example. One example of a chiral molecule is a glucose that naturally only occurs in the SO called right hand variety called dextrorotatory glucose or a dextrose. It is possible to make levorotatory glucose, its mirror image, by chemical synthesis. These are four chiral carbon atoms in the glucose molecule. Thank you everyone.